Alright guys, so today is Monday and I went this morning and got my first fill up of SH from my local pressure washing place called Eco Wash Systems, and I picked up a gallon of Gold Assassin to try out, and there's some of their surfactant called Eco Blue. And I'm at one of my local fire departments that I run with, and I've been running here for 10 years, so I know this place like the back of my hand. And I'm going to be washing this helicopter pad right here that is also a basketball court, and they also have like twirling and baton throwing and stuff like that for little girls in the summertime practice here. So this is just a free job for my soft opening this week, just to get my feet wet and use my truck a few times and whatnot. So, but I'm about to get started. All right guys, so just finished up. Took me about 3.5 hours to do this whole 40 by 40 concrete, and I think it went pretty good. This is 1,600 square feet, and at 17 cents a square foot it'd be $272. So 3.5 hours, not too bad. But like I said before, this is a free job for me to get some practice in with my equipment and using the truck. But everything worked as it should, so I didn't have any issues with the pressure washer the whole time. I had put gas in it about halfway through. Didn't have any issues with any of the reels leaking. Never ran out of water. Never seemed to lose any kind of PSI. If you can see that now, but 3.6 hours, and it did have 0.5 before today. So yeah, I pre-treated it with about a 3%. Post-treated, sorry, I didn't pre-treat. I post-treated with about 3%, just to see if that helped with my lines. So I got the truck all wrapped up. I'm about to leave, go home, but I'm going to stop by tomorrow and check it out and take some after pictures. But I don't know, I did have lines pretty bad. So we will see if the post-treat helps, and I will definitely show y'all what it looks like tomorrow.